Hey, listen up. About to blow your mind with a game-changing hack that'll let you craft any character you dream of. One that talks, struts, and steals the show exactly how you want it. And get this, $0 spent on fancy animators or voice actors. Now here we go. Step 1. Choose the character you want to create. Fire up Google AI Studio, that free AI wizard from the search giant. Write a prompt that generates the character you want. For example, Gekomon from Digimon Beat Break. Hit send and bam, magic happens in seconds. Go to Runway website. Add the edited photo and also a video of reference. Choose the aspect ratio and the run. Watch the result explode to life.
I think we're going to live in a world where there are going to be hundreds of millions and billions of different AI agents. Eventually, probably more AI agents than there are people in the world.
It's spot on, effortless, and yours in a flash. If this boosted your creativity, hit that like button, save this video, and join my free SKOOL community for more ideas like this. Link in bio. What's your favorite creative tip?